Okay, today we're going to learn how to find the area of complex figures. And so we're going to start with the figures that we see here, and we're going to break them into sections so that in order for you to be able to solve them. So the first figure you can break in different ways. I'm going to go ahead and break it this way. And then I like to highlight where I have broken the figure apart, make a little dotted line, and name them figure A and figure B. So if I take a look at figure A, what I do then is go to my notebook paper and I'm going to draw figure A. Exactly what it looks like there. And then I'm going to label it. So when I'm looking at it, I know that this length is 10 and I can see that this side is 5. So if I were to put my hand there, I would be 10 on this side and I would still be 5 on that side because this whole side is 8. Now figure B looks like this. And I have 3 on this side, I can see that clearly, and I have 4 on this side. So now I go back and I'm going to find the area of figure A. Remember my formula for area is length times width. So 10 times 5. My area equals 50 centimeters squared. That's for figure A. For figure B, my area is 3 times 4. My area equals 12 centimeters squared. Now I have to go back and add my 50 centimeters squared plus my 12 centimeters squared, and I get 62 centimeters squared as my total area for my first figure. Figure 2. This one I'm going to actually have to break into 3 different figures, figure A, figure B, and figure C. Again, I like to highlight. I go on my notebook paper and I draw the figures. So I'm going to fold my paper in half so you can still see it from my view. And this is problem number 2. And the first figure is figure A, and it looks about like this. Doesn't have to be perfect, just so you can see the different dimensions. And I see that it's 6 on the side and 4 on the top. 6 and 4. If I were to finish that line there and cover this up, those measurements would still remain the same. Figure B looks about like this. And I see that it's 4 up here, that little section there. I've got to figure out what this section is here. So if this whole, and I can use this side too, this side or this side. If this whole side is 6 and I have 3 of it here, that means I have 3 left there. So that is going to be 3. And then my C section looks like this, and it's mirror image from the other side. So I have 6 and I have 4. Now I can go ahead and find my area of each section. The area of figure A, 6 times 4, the area equals 24 millimeters squared. The area of figure B is 4 times 3, the area equals 12 millimeters squared. The area of figure C is 6 times 4, the area equals 24 millimeters squared. Now I have to add all 3 of them together. So the area of all the figures is 24 plus 12